What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you've seen one of my previous videos where I tinted my headlights, well, it was a complete disaster. They came out really horrible. As you can see, I already tried taking some of the tint off, but I couldn't fully take it off. So I did a couple research, and apparently it comes off with brake cleaner. So I had some brake cleaner laying around, and that's what this video is going to consist of. So let's get to it. I think that's as clean as we're gonna get it. I'm about 20 to 15 minutes in, and that's barely how it's looking like. But it's okay, because we're still gonna put that tint film on top of it. Alright, you guys, so I think that's as clean as we're gonna get them. I think that's as clean as we're gonna get them. So I know this is a short video, but I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and keep watching for more. I'll see you in the next one. One thing I did want to point out though is that gasoline worked better for me than brake cleaner did. I don't know about you guys, maybe it was just the type of brand that, maybe the type of brand brake cleaner I was using, maybe that way it wasn't functioning like it should, but I prefer to use gasoline in my opinion. But yeah.